Okay, so today we are on our way to film another conference all the way in Timișoara. I've been on the road for about an hour. I still have a bit left to go. Hope you like this video. I decided to try something different than just the POV shots, because I don't know, it felt kind of boring and it was a bit unnatural. So I want to try this vlog style as well, but yeah, I'm not really good in front of the camera. I'm usually behind it, so it's gonna be an interesting video. Stay tuned. I have so many fucking white hairs. It's fucking unbelievable. So we're going to the location right now. I need to grab some stuff from my car, the tripods and some cables. So yeah, we had breakfast. It was damn amazing. I really like this hotel. So yeah, see you there. Da, nu capte.
Bă, lasă-mă că deja piu. Prea mult. Ce dai zici?
Te plângeai. Okay, so we just went to dinner. The client provided dinner for us today. It was fucking amazing. One of the best restaurants here in Timișoara. And now I'm heading back to the room to finally take a shower. It was an interesting day today. Pretty boring. But at least we got some food, some dessert, just take away. Okay, and yeah, we'll see about tomorrow, because from what I understood, tomorrow we are leaving. So yeah, also here's a little room tour. We are sleeping 2 people here because why the fuck not? It's huge, it's very tall. Some drawers and a big ass bathroom. So yeah, very nice. Feet junk.
Vrei? Da? Vrei? Da, știu. Îl vedem pe față. Mă, Ștefane, ce te uiți, mă, așa? Eu nu văd nimic.
So I think it's important the alternative laboratory tests, not so much. Genetics, yes, but the energetics is not out of the container. There's so much in the container with you.
Astăzi a fost mult mai puțin timp.
Avem mai multe cărți. Și unul e de 93 de giga.
Da, nu știu ce... Ați făcut voi ceva, e...
Da.
Dă-le shutdown la toate.
Dacă îl fac copia.
Так, полей круг.
Nu.
La roți.
Se închide?
Din spate.
And that's a wrap for now. Yeah, it took a bit longer than I expected to wrap up, but it's way better now. So yeah, now road back home and sleep. I just left the hotel and I'm going back home, and the car decided to do its own thing and throw quite a few errors at me, so we'll have to stop and deal with that once we get out of the city. So yeah, this is a fun trip so far.